चैप्टर 11 है मेंटेनेंस ऑफ पब्लिक ऑर्डर, मेंटेनेंस ऑफ पब्लिक ऑर्डर एंड ट्रैंक्विलिटी। सेक्शन 148 से 167। विच चैप्टर ऑफ द बीएनएसएस डील्स विद द मेंटेनेंस ऑफ पब्लिक ऑर्डर एंड ट्रैंक्विलिटी? चैप्टर 11, पब्लिक ऑर्डर एंड ट्रैंक्विलिटी, चैप्टर 11। Which section provides for dispersal of assembly by use of civil force? Section 148। चैप्टर 11 है 148 से 167। Amongst the following, who is not competent to use the civil force for dispersal of assembly under section 148 of the BNSS? Who is not competent? Any judicial magistrate. Judicial magistrate is not competent to use of civil force for dispersal of assembly. Under section 148 of the BNSS, of if the unlawful assembly does not disperse or conducts itself in such a manner as to show a determination not to disperse, the executive magistrate or police officer may proceed to disperse such assembly by force and may take assistance of any person not being an officer or member of the armed forces। किसी का भी सहायता ले सकता है जो कि आर्म फोर्सेस का नहीं हो। Under which one of the following section of the BNSS armed forces can be used to disperse assembly for maintaining of public security? 149। सेक्शन 148 में सिविल फोर्स का हेल्प ले सकते हैं और 149 में पब्लिक सिक्योरिटी के लिए आर्म फोर्सेस का ले सकते हैं। Under section 149, which of the following authorities is empowered to seek assistance of armed forces for dispersal of unlawful assembly? District magistrate or any other executive magistrate empowered by him. Under section 150, if the public security is manifestly endangered by unlawfully assembly and no executive magistrate can be contacted, who amongst the following can order to disperse such assembly? Any commissioned or gazetted officer of armed forces. Under which one of the following, under which section of the BNSS conditional order for removal of nuisance may be issued? 150 152 152 में कंडीशनल ऑर्डर को इशू किया जाएगा। कंडीशनल ऑर्डर फॉर रिमूवल ऑफ पब्लिक न्यूसेंस अंडर सेक्शन 152 ऑफ द बीएनएसएस में पास बाय एनी ऑफ द मैजिस्ट्रेट। कंडीशनल ऑर्डर जो होगा वो पास किया जाएगा अंडर एनी ऑफ द मैजिस्ट्रेट। हु इज ऑथराइज्ड फॉर रिमूवल ऑफ पब्लिक न्यूसेंस? एग्जीक्यूटिव मैजिस्ट्रेट। पब्लिक न्यूसेंस के लिए हु इज ऑथराइज्ड? जुडिशियल मैजिस्ट्रेट्स आर नॉट ऑथराइज्ड फॉर पब्लिक ऑर्डर एंड ट्रैंक्विलिटी, but executive magistrates are authorized for invoking 152 of the BNSS where should be the inconvenience or invasion on public place. Mark the correct answer to the conditional order passed by a magistrate under section 152 of the BNSS cannot be challenged in civil court. This statement is correct. Under which section of the BNSS a district magistrate or sub-divisional magistrate may prevent environmental pollution? Under section 152. If a person against whom an order under section 152 of the BNSS is made appears and so cause against the order, the magistrate shall take evidence in matter as in summons cases. Person to whom so cause order under section 154 is addressed shall appear physically and so cause against the order. Such appearance or hearing can be permitted through audio video conference. Which section of the which section provides for penalty for failure to comply with? Section 154. 155. Under section 155 of the BNSS, the person against whom an order is made under section 154 does not perform such act or appear shall be liable to penalty specified under which section of the BNSS? 223. Which section provides the procedure where person against whom order is made under section 152 appears to so cause? Section 157. Under section 157, the proceeding shall be completed within a period of 90 days. Proceedings under Section 157 can be extended for reasons to be recorded in writing to 120 days. Under which section? What section of the BNSS is a magistrate may direct local investigation? Local investigation 158. Under what appropriate act section a magistrate may issue an order for injunction pending inquiry? Injunction कौन सा section में order कर सकता है? 161. Under section 161 of the BNSS, a magistrate is empowered to issue injunction pending inquiry. Which section provides that magistrate may prohibit repetition or continuance of public nuisance? 162. Who has the power to prohibit repetition or continuance of public nuisance? District magistrate, sub-divisional magistrate, any other executive magistrate, or deputy commissioner of the police. A magistrate has power to deal with urgent cases, apprehended danger or nuisance under section 163. Consider the following statement. Section 163 of the BNSS is wider and more general section than section 164 of the BNSS. Section 163 of the BNSS is discretionary, whereas section 164 is mandatory. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Section 163 is discretionary and 164 is mandatory. An executive magistrate may act even ex parte under section 163 BNSS if immediate prevention of speedy remedy is desirable on any one or all the above grounds. The validity of an order made under section 163 of BNSS is 2 months. 163 का जो वैलिडिटी है वो 2 months तक का है. An order under section 163 of the BNSS shall remain in force for 2 months, but it can be extended by state government for not exceeding. स्टेट गवर्नमेंट द्वारा एक्सटेंड किया जाएगा नॉट एक्सीडिंग, मतलब 2 month का है उसको एक्सटेंड करके 6 month तक किया जा सकता है by the permission of the state government. Who may order to prevent apprehended danger of or nuisance under section 163 of the BNSS? All the above. Which section of the BNSS deals with the procedure where dispute concerning land or water is likely to cause breach of peace? 164 of the BNSS. Land और water से लेकर dispute होगा तो वो 164 में देखेंगे. What is the object of 164 of the BNSS? To prevent breach of peace. Breach of peace को बचाने के लिए section 164 है. Any dispute relating to possession of immovable property is decided by executive magistrate. Immovable property possession के dispute के लिए executive magistrate decide करेगा. For the purpose of section 164 BNSS, land or water includes all the above: building and markets, fisheries and crops, other produce of lands, rent or property. It is proceedings under 164 of the BNSS. Proceedings are initiated by executive magistrate or the report of which following police officer. Executive magistrate can put a party in possession of immovable property if the party is disposed unlawfully. Under which provision of the BNSS can a party approach the executive magistrate and pray for dropping of proceedings? Initiated under section 164 of the BNSS. 164 का 5. Under section 165(1) of the BNSS, the magistrate may attach the subject of dispute if he is unable to satisfy himself as to which of them was in possession of subject to the dispute. Which section deals with the disputes concerning the right to use of land or water? 166. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Power to issue order urgent cases of nuisance or apprehending danger. Chapter 12 है preventive action of the पुलिस प्रिवेंटिव एक्शन ऑफ द पुलिस प्रिवेंटिव एक्शन लेगा पुलिस 168 से 172 168 से 172 चैप्टर 12 प्रिवेंटिव एक्शन ऑफ द पुलिस अंडर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग चैप्टर बीएनएसएस प्रोवाइड्स फॉर प्रिवेंटिव एक्शन ऑफ द पुलिस चैप्टर 12 which section provides that the police officer will prevent cognizable offense to best of its ability. Section 168 under which section of the BNSS police can arrest a person to prevent the commission of cognizable offense 170 to prevent commission of cognizable offense preventive action can be taken 170 which section provides that the police officer may of his own authority interpose to prevent any injury attempted to be committed in his view to any public property movable or immovable or removable or injury any public landmark by or the mark used by navigation section 171 which one of the following is not correctly matched arrest by magistrate section 1 section 45 ये अरेस्ट बाय मजिस्ट्रेट है सेक्शन 41 है which section of the BNSS provides that all persons shall be bound to conform to lawful direction of the police 172 under section 172 of the BNSS if any person resists or refuses to conform to any direction then police officer may detain such person and in petty cases release him as soon as possible within a period of 24 hours